In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block time in Outlook Calendar. If you want to protect time for focused work, personal appointments, or simply prevent others from booking over part of your day, Outlook makes that very easy. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a time block directly in your calendar and mark it so it clearly appears as unavailable. Start by opening Outlook and going to the calendar view. This is where you'll see your schedule laid out by day or work week, making it easy to choose exactly when you want to block time. If your calendar is crowded, switching to a work week or day view can make selection a little easier. Once you're in the calendar, highlight the desired time block. To do this, click and drag across the period you want to reserve. For example, you might block an hour for deep work, a lunch break, or part of an afternoon for admin tasks. Selecting the time first helps Outlook automatically fill in the start and end time for your event, which saves a step and reduces the chance of mistakes. After you've highlighted the time, click on New Event. This opens the event creation window, where you can define how that block will appear on your calendar. Even though you're just reserving time, creating it as an event is what tells Outlook to hold that space for you. Next, click on Event. This confirms that you're creating a standard calendar item rather than another type of entry. It keeps the process simple and ensures the time appears properly in your schedule. Now look toward the top of the event window and click the Show As option, which may currently display something like free or busy. This setting controls how your availability appears to other people who can view your calendar. It's an important step because just creating an event doesn't always communicate the level of unavailability you want. From that menu, click on Out of Office. Choosing this status makes the time block more visible as unavailable, which is especially useful if you want to avoid meeting requests during that period. It's a good option when you really need uninterrupted time or when you'll be away and don't want that slot treated as open. Finally, click Save. Once saved, the block will appear on your Outlook calendar with the status you selected. That's it. Your time is now reserved. Using calendar blocks consistently can make your day far more manageable and help others respect your schedule. Even a few well-placed blocks can create space for focused, intentional work.